Uncovering the hidden features in your car, what every driver should know. Your car is smarter than you think. And it is. Probably hiding secrets you've never even imagined. Have you ever wondered if your vehicle has hidden buttons, features, or tricks that could make driving safer, more comfortable, and even save you money? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're unlocking 15 hidden car features that most people have no idea exist. These aren't just cool gimmicks. They can actually change the way you experience your car every single day. From emergency hacks to comfort upgrades to high-tech safety boosts, this list will open your eyes to what your car is truly capable of. Let's uncover the secrets your vehicle doesn't tell you. Until now, let's get started. 1. The key fob signal boosting trick. Ever wandered a huge parking lot, clicking your key fob with no luck? Here's a clever trick. Place your key fob against your forehead and press the button. Your body acts like an antenna, slightly boosting the signal range and helping you locate your car more easily. This works due to the conductive properties of bodily fluids, which can extend radio wave propagation. This trick is especially helpful when you're just out of range, like when you're at the edge of a large parking structure or underground lot. Just remember, it won't make a dead battery work. This only amplifies a working fob signal. 2. Air recirculation button. Cleaner air, better efficiency. The air recirculation button blocks outside air and recycles the air already inside your cabin. It's located on most climate control panels and typically represented by a looping arrow inside a car icon. Using this function can significantly improve air quality during heavy traffic, dust storms, or when driving past foul-smelling areas. It also reduces energy usage by allowing the system to maintain temperature more efficiently, since it doesn't have to treat hot or cold air from outside. Just be sure to disable it occasionally to let fresh air in, especially on longer trips. 3. Shift lock release button, a true lifesaver. If your battery dies or the ignition won't turn, your gear lever is locked in park. But many cars include a small, often overlooked solution, the shift lock release. Located near the shifter and often covered by a small plastic tab, this button allows you to manually move the transmission into neutral. Use a car key or similar tool to press it down. This feature is particularly useful if your car needs to be towed or pushed in an emergency. Without it, you'd be stuck literally. For snowflake icon, don't ignore this warning. The snowflake icon usually appears when the outside temperature drops to around 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius. At this point, ice can start forming on bridges, overpasses, and shaded areas, even if it's not visibly snowing or raining. This warning is especially helpful on early winter mornings or in hilly areas where surface temperature varies. Some systems may flash the icon and emit a warning sound when the threshold is reached, prompting you to drive more cautiously and prepare for slick conditions. 5. Rear-view mirror glare control, manual and automatic. Driving at night with high beams in your rear-view mirror can be distracting and even dangerous. The manual rear-view mirror glare control feature is simple but effective. Flip the small lever to adjust the mirror's reflective angle. Higher-end cars take this further with auto-dimming mirrors that sense bright lights and darken the glass electronically. These use electrochromic materials to reduce glare in real time, enhancing night visibility without driver input. In some cars, side mirrors also feature auto-dimming, providing complete rear-view comfort. 6. Hidden storage compartments. Built-in organization. Most vehicles are designed with storage in mind, but not all compartments are obvious. Underseat bins, trunk floor spaces, false bottom glove boxes, and even sliding panels within center consoles can hide useful storage. Manufacturers like Jeep, Honda, and Volkswagen have become known for adding clever spaces. These compartments can be perfect for storing jumper cables, emergency snacks, flashlights, or other gear without cluttering the visible cabin. 7. Backseat monitoring mirror. Parents, take note. This small convex mirror provides a wide-angle view of the back seat, allowing you to glance at your kids or pets without turning around. It's a passive feature, no cameras, no electronics, but it gives priceless peace of mind. For parents of toddlers or infants, being able to spot a loose seatbelt or catch mischief in progress without distraction improves both safety and control. Even pet owners find this helpful on long trips to monitor restless animals. 8. Customizable wiper sensitivity for any rainfall. Rain-sensing wipers rely on infrared sensors to detect moisture on the windshield and activate wipers automatically. But many drivers don't realize that you can usually customize how sensitive the system is. Too aggressive? Dial it down. Not wiping often enough? Increase the sensitivity. This feature is often controlled via a collar switch on the wiper stalk or through the infotainment system. The result is better visibility and less need for manual intervention, ideal for changing weather patterns. 9. Night vision systems see the unseen. Night vision systems use infrared cameras to detect heat signatures beyond the range of your headlights. This feature isn't just for luxury, it's a real safety tool. The system projects thermal images onto your dashboard or infotainment screen, allowing you to spot pedestrians, cyclists, or animals that your headlights might miss, especially on rural or dark roads. Some systems even link with your collision avoidance system and can trigger warnings or braking if danger is detected. 10. Auto hold feature. No more rolling at red lights. Auto hold is often bundled with electronic parking brakes and, once activated, automatically holds your car in place after you come to a complete stop. It's particularly helpful on hills, but it also shines in city traffic. No more keeping your foot on the brake at long red lights or during traffic jams. The system gently disengages when you press the accelerator, making your driving smoother and more relaxed. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. 11. Heated windshields and washer nozzles. Cold weather heroes. Winter mornings are no match for heated windshields. These systems embed fine heating elements within the glass, clearing frost and ice far quicker than your defroster alone. Heated washer nozzles prevent fluid from freezing, ensuring your visibility isn't compromised when salt, dirt, or snow hits your windshield. Together, these features are lifesavers for drivers in northern climates, and they protect your wipers from damage caused by scraping across ice. 12. Smart climate control. Let your car think for you. Advanced climate systems can automatically adjust based on multiple variables: outside temperature, cabin sunlight exposure, even individual seat occupancy. Smart controls may also sync with driver profiles or use GPS data to preheat or pre-cool the cabin before you arrive. Some even take humidity and pollution levels into account, automatically switching between fresh and recirculated air modes. 13 TPMs. More than just a light. Modern tire pressure monitoring systems do more than alert you to dangerously low tire pressure. In many vehicles, TPMs displays real-time pressure and even temperature for each tire. Some systems can detect slow leaks before they become emergencies, while others notify you when seasonal temperature changes affect tire inflation. Resetting the system after tire rotations or new installations ensures accurate readings. 14. Fuel cap holder. Small detail, big help. When refueling, many drivers let the cap dangle or place it on the roof, both risky options. But most modern cars have a built-in holder or hook inside the fuel door. Using it protects your paint from scratches, keeps dirt out of the fuel system, and simply makes refueling less annoying. Once you start using it, you won't go back. 15. Sun visor extensions. Goodbye glare. The sun doesn't always shine straight ahead, and that's where extendable visors or secondary side visors come in. They offer added coverage from sunlight creeping in at hard angles. Some visors slide outward. Others flip down from the side to protect peripheral vision. It's a simple upgrade that significantly improves driving visibility and reduces eye strain, especially during sunrise or sunset drives. Conclusion: unlock your car's full potential. So there you have it. 15 hidden car features that can make your daily driving smarter, safer, and far more enjoyable. If even one of these made you say, "I didn't know my car could do that," then this video has done its job. But don't stop here. Your vehicle likely has even more capabilities waiting to be discovered. If you found this video helpful, let us know by hitting the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe if you want more tips, tricks, and surprising insights about the car you drive every day. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment and tell us which of these features you've used, or share a hidden trick you think we missed. We love hearing from you. Stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.